Kwi-ADO committee namhlanje ke baye baba ne-meeting yabo labaqhela ukuba nayo baba nazo ngama-Mondays apho bebediscussa lo mcimbi osowubhora o-Brown Mokgotsi no-Paul Solovoni. Ngendlela okuthethwa ngayo uyabona into yoba kukhona apho bese befuna ukugiva in khona kwi-demands zika-Brown Mokgotsi, ne-speaker saseparliament naso sirespondile malunga nomcimbi kaPaul Solovoni. Kuthiwa ingathi akazukwazi into yoba makasamonwe nyinyi ngathi bafuna ukuthi atestify maybe ke virtually bakhona bayalayo lonto into bayiboni yamazi lo muntu ukwazi nokudrop ifone asizuba nayo icontrol over him ayomnto singa so nje boyibhora nje injalo bazama ungezelela ke nakoma witness abasafuna bavele uba ngobani bayamfuna upresident dobe bengavana bavumelana incam ngayo lonto leyo. Hayi ke namhlanje thindini phenje bushushu nje bayo khona apho ewakwata khona uMalema ngento yoba uBrown Mokgotsi letlawule nguBrown Mokgotsi yenza ama-demands unnecessary even kwabona should they start with that it means anyone othi ndicela my private what ndicela ini they will need to give in even bona abo so nje bathatha nje uMalema kalonto leyo including eKaPaul Solovoni though engayithashanga kakhulu but nje kaBrown Mokgotsi nje bayithathile. Hayi ke apho uyabona ke kukhona nalapho sokhona nabanye abafuna ukuziveza ke ngoba bafuna ukuvela khona nomnye owayeyi general kwiside labo supply othi nje yena ndifuna ukuzonixelela amanyundululu wonke kuba imali idliwe njani ubuceleku kwa-SAPS ngoze eziphi eziminister bezinifakela ipressure thawuza nemicimbi yabo PPE nani isa noMalema ke lo witness leyo so kweya ke so nje into engathi njalo ngaphezulu bathi bafuna upresident befuna upresident abanye xa besala wabhoka uShongwe wathani kwazi into yoba xa simane sithi sifuna upresident nimane nisithi hayi savumelana into yoba sizombizana sizothi asimbizi njani sikuyonke lento lena kuthi kungephi kwa umchunu athi hayi ndathetha nopresident kuthi xa kungephi even uNational Commission ufana imasebula uthi wake wambuza upresident so president cannot just walk free without him having to go come and account or answer, especially with the fact yoba nguye umuntu owa-establisha even the political killings task team. So njoba nimane nimsaba nimthini hayi wavakala uShongwe sithi yena hayi even if bongathiwa former president Jacob Zuma uqobo unawakhe amanyundululu amfuna apha hayi indoda engawusabi ukuzophendula besizamfuna apha ebezazi azoziphendulela wakhe amanyundululu apha besingazi uzoprotectana basiyekeni lento basiprotectane lento siyipoliticize into that is of a public interest sifuna ukuprotectana nama-political interest wethu. This is a security state issue ayonto yama-politics into yoba xa kungumuntu wakho nani hayi ke khona lapho xa bethe umcimbi xa bethetha ngomcimbi wama-PPEs ndazibuza ibe ukhusela uzayithini ngoba nayo nezakhe izikandela xa kuthethwa ngemicimbi yama-PPEs. Hayi ke so nje they just wasted time nje kuthethwa nje ngento enjalo but yabona umcimbi of which amalanga ayahamba i-deadline abazuyimitha and andikho sure basezafuna ukurequesta i-extension okanye bazathini. So that's just about izinto nje bebethetha ngazo talking about uformer president bafethu uJacob Zuma. Kukhona into andikho sure noba ni-aware kukhona ama-files amanyukunyezi apha anokwenza neMelika njengoba siyizonda kanje iMelika abizwa ngobani yi-Jeffrey Epstein ngama-Epstein files ngama-files khona umuntu wayekuthiwa nguJeffrey Epstein in case bakhona bangayazi ndenzela into yoba wonke umuntu abangamane bedibana nalento banga-understandi nje uba kwenzeka ntoni so sekatshona yena. So lama-files lana something similar to laa nto yayimasikizi imanyukunyezi yayithetheka ngo-P Daddy. So le nto cacile into yoba yi-culture lisiko lapha eMelika ngenzeka futhi uba i-cultures le culture ipenetrate kuma-countries are-different but okwangoku i-focus iphamos le nto yayike yathetheka nango-R Kelly uba ndiyakhumbula u-R Kelly ugxume ejele ngento efana nale kubonesta abantwana nani so no-Puff Daddy similar thing. So it looks like ikhona into enobu satanic buluminati buntoni nje i-rituals abaziperformayo ezimanyukunyezi so yonke lonto ifaka ke ngokwama-top dog akwela cala. So oko ndimane ndidibana njani ndiyifollowisha nje uba okay ngibani oseke ephumile ngibani so oBill Clinton uTrump every now and then igama kaTrump nje likhona ukuze ndiniphe i-picture bakuthethwa ngani kwezi files kuthethwa ngabantu bestar obotata bayalalana kulalwa nabantwana abancinci bo-13, human trafficking, kudliwa ama-humans apho, ininzi nje sacrifice. So into nje masikize amanyukunyeze njalo. So I don't really touch on that, but what made me want to touch on it is because it's actually landed in South Africa, because for the very first time one of our own, which is the former President Jacob Zuma's name, appeared kulama files. Okay, kona i-foundation yakhona, i-Jacob Zuma Foundation, irespondile yathi akekho involved apho nani makakhitshwe wathini. But this is after kunama-emails ke akhona athethekayo uba ubani uyeza ngedate ethile. So ngumuntu bekesenza nje ama-arrangements, ngabe sithi kuze sim-understand babeke yini, bekebu-secretary ebu-PA lo muntu lona. So bebehamba beyo loo nto esitini leyo yi-island bokuhanjwa kuyokwenziwa loo nto ezimanyukunyezi kuyo leyo. So that's why ezo files zibizwa njalo. So kurelisiwe ke ngoku oko mane zifuna release o-Trump bevala ize yawina ke ngoku i-court federal yabe yaqhubeka nazo. So zakhitshwa ezi-about 3 million i-files, zithe zikhitshiwe zapublishwa, zithe zapublishwe njalo zaphinde futhi i-DOJ yaphinde yazehlisa yazisusa. But ezinye zakhona bese ndizibonile nje bangobani nobani abantu abapha. So nje into engathi injalo okumele into basibe siyayazi. So umcimbi woma human trafficker yokuthini yinto engathi even i-leaders ezipha phezulu ziba involved, ziye banalo ulwazi. Wena drug cartel nani zikhona kulanto. So beseza nazo kancinci, and out of them, if not mistaken, I think bathe there about 6 million files. Kule 6 million files were released by 3 million. You are busy ngayo, because the other 3 million, I think, but protect people that are abangama victims, impacted, negatively impacted. Either videos, porn videos, noba abantu females ebezikhona, abantwana bebekhona nani. So just manje zivezwa nje i-files zakhona. Ubone nje indoda endala iphuma nomntana ona 12 years erumini. Uba bebesenzane niyazazela, ezinye ke zivisa beziveza nje yona yonke lonto leyo phecelezi. So kunamanyukunyezi nje angathi ayenzeka anjalo. Uba ngaba siqaphelanga yonke lento eyenzeka apha ngaphandle izakwenzeka apha eSouth Africa, because at some stage kwayevela amahimi moba uPuff Daddy xa kephuma ejele kwathini ingathi khona into ba benye family yabo bafuna ukurelocate laphi apha eSouth Africa. So watch out for that.
It is very, very unprofessional, Chair, of a member of parliament to use that strategy in order to protect his or her president. It is very, very unfortunate, Chair. Chair, when it comes to the name specifically like a President Ramaphosa, I now feel that we've been shifting polls. Uguti score here, don't score here. You've been shifting polls. It started when you said we will speak of Amagama in a category way. Yoguti, politicians, officials, and all that. We'll let that matter pass. We argued again as Honorable Cousin Ndabayama Window. I remember very well when he spoke about Ndabayama Window, President Zuma. I even said to Honorable Malema, made a mistake, it's not a security matter. Side discussor, side debater, but we never came to a conclusion. Again, our polls were shifted. And then it was a matter we will discuss it again after. Not so long in a meeting again, Chair, I again raised the name. And it was an issue that it will be discussed. It was never discussed. It's a lie, Chair, that we've discussed and found a decision on this matter. I don't agree with that, Chair. What I'm proposing, Chair, is that we discuss the matter and put it to a rest. But, Chair, number one, the main important thing, IMC reports to the President. Eyaga President, the IMC. Why should we then look for only a written submission from the owner of the PKTT? We are sitting here, Chair, we don't know whether President Ramaphosa agreed to disbanding of the PKTT or disagreed. Where is he standing on the matter of PKTT? We are sitting here, Chair, the country, if you can just go in Malokishin, even the suburbs, and ask what is the stance of the president in regarding the PKTT, you will never get a clear answer. How do we then as a committee come to say we agreed on those names? Never. It's not true, Chair, and it's not honest. Let's be honest to our work, Chair. The reason we have this committee is to probe and find issues and work on those issues. We have found Ubabumbalula Imali 7 to 47 million. We have found his supporting staff Udimba in a meeting with Lokunja for Ikreba. Why must we find a name and then regard to say, no, we will leave it? See, Tolile Mosi corruption. Che, even now, judiciary has kakakhulumi ngayo. Che, corruption as a prison, correctional service, asikakhulumi ngayo, we're busy shifting post. Is that the mistake we did in respecting the decision of the chair, which we'll discuss the matter later? Then it comes as if we have a problem emakhanda siyakhohlwa. Asikhohlwanga che. Sathi sizoyikhuluma silinde wena che uyibeke etafuleni uthi nayi ndoda asiyikhulumeni. And I asked che, I would submit my written supporting statement on this thing. I'm just going to pull over and write and type it to and send it to the group. Ezofaka onke ama statements and my reasons why I say these names must be called in che. But ngiyacela che. I South Africa. I understand ukuthi ANC wants to protect their president. It can't be at the expense of South Africans. It can't be ukuthi sizokhonjwa ngesibhamu sithenjwe uSuzuma. Asabi lutho ngoZuma thina. Siyazi ukuthi uzoyimela makumela imeli into azenzile. Thina into esifuna iCountry eqondile. If uZuma is found to be in the wrong, we as umkhonto wesizwe, we are saying mbizeni mani mfuni. But let it not be because we nenzi revenge. Let it be because iPKTT iyamfaka. In this regard, no. Ifaka uMbalula ne-47 million, ifaka uBaba Ramaphosa naye ngokuthi akacacisa izinto. Even if you can dig deeper than the iPKTT, you find ukuthi there's more responsibilities of the president angazenzanga. We want to discuss that, Chair. Ningasivimbi lelo thuba lelo, Chair. I plead with you, Chair. Ningasivimbi lelo thuba. Thank you.
Parliament. You have people who have completely shown that they've got no regard for Parliament. They go around ridiculing it, that we must provide private chefs, we must provide a house, not a hotel, you must do this and that. It's like you're preparing a trip to Epstein Island. It can't be. That there is no difference between a person who's preparing a trip to Epstein Island to a person who's going to appear in Parliament on serious allegations made against them. And they want to be treated like the special ones. And that's exactly what Honorable Skosana and Mateis are talking about. The problem of white privilege. And you can see it on some of the inputs that are being made here. Mokgosi is going to be a beneficiary of a white privilege. That if we give to Paul O'Sullivan, but they're not necessarily speaking for Paul O'Sullivan, they're not speaking for Mokgosi, they're speaking for Paul O'Sullivan. And they've always been like that. Where their own has to appear on wrongdoing, they will try everything in their power to protect that individual, just because of the color of their skin. It's as simple as that. We cannot have this guy perpetually trying to undermine everybody. One of the allegations is that this guy has got no regard for anyone. And if you're going to treat him the way you want to treat him, you'll be confirming that we are part of the people that are actually dancing to his tune. I cannot just wake up. Security doesn't work like that. And General Stabani must speak to that. The security doesn't work like that. You don't just wake up in the morning and say, there is a security threat on me without demonstrating anything that suggests that there is indeed a security threat on you. If there is a security threat on them, they are police, well-trained police who are looking after everyone who's got security concerns, that I received this SMS, I did this, I did that. Today, this speaker wants to tell us about the security of Paul O'Sullivan and Brown Mokgosi, who in a way also implicate her party, but never did anything to the protection of members of Parliament who have been threatened by Paul O'Sullivan. Never. No statement condemning him for his conduct. Today, we must take into consideration that he's got security threat. He never said, this is the kind of security threat I've got, which means, Chair, you're going to create a precedence that anyone who doesn't want to come before you simply has to say, I've got security concern. I don't eat hotel food. I also have a problem of wearing shoes because I'm always in slides, and Parliament will require me to wear shoes. And then you must hire a private chef for me. If you do that for Mokgotsi, you're going to have to do that for everyone. So that will be unfair even to the people who came before us, before. Ordinary members of communities coming to speak about senior police officers, generals of the police. If you provided them with security, you probably did when they landed at the airport to Parliament, from Parliament to airport. And that's it. When they land in Gauteng, they are going to be received by those thugs that they were talking about. And nothing is being considered about those ordinary members of the public. But we have to have a headache about a man who has been controlling SAPS for a very long time. About a man who calls himself an agent without anyone in crime intelligence or SSA confirming that this thing is an agent. So meaning a fool can just stand up and say, I'm an agent, I'm an operative, and we have no method to even verify if this clown is an agent for real or is being clownish. We must never allow to be treated like that. We shouldn't allow to be treated like that. Anyone, there are no exceptional circumstances that have been produced. The legal team of Parliament is in cahoots with these people. That's why he can't say anything. He can't reason as to what is the way forward. Because all we needed to do is to say to Mokgotsi, to say to this white guy, look, Chief, we have security for witnesses that come to present their evidence there in Parliament. Mokgotsi is in the village there. It's in the village in Northwest. What security is he talking about? Because the attack will only happen when he's in Parliament. Why is it not happening at his home? Now we're being told informal correspondences that Mokgotsi was once attacked. When there was a strong evidence that Mokgotsi attacked himself, he stopped a car and started shooting it.